Mama's silly boy? Right there. Where's Mama's silly boy? You love dancing, don't you?
Now we need to get the hunting channel pretty soon, Bethany.
We need cable. You've been watching dancing for a long time. Oh, goodness. He cheers for it when it's over. Maybe you'll be a little dancer or circus performer. You think? Can you do tricks? Seriously, this is his most active time during my pregnancy, during Dancing with the Stars. Ready for bath, my bud? It's time for bath time.
Oh man, I like Daddy. Oh, okay. You can take him, Mom.
Bath water's still really hot. I can tell he's getting tired because he's waving his arms around like crazy. He's really chatty tonight.
All right, bud, bath time.
Let's change your stinky diaper.